How to peel frozen tomatoes. This is one of the easiest and best hacks you will learn. If you're a gardener, you'll know that your tomatoes never get red at the same time. So very often you'll have just a few red tomatoes and that's it. And what are you going to do with just a few red tomatoes? So what you're going to do from now on is put them into a freezer bag and stick them in your freezer. You can even put them into a brown paper bag, whatever you want. Just put them in the freezer. As you get new red tomatoes, just add them to your bags. Once you're ready to use those tomatoes, you're going to take them out of the bag, hard as a rock, put them into some warm water. I'm using like kind of a warmish hot water here. And those skins are just falling off. Absolutely mind blowing. This is the best hack I have ever discovered. It has made my life so much easier. Enjoy, everybody.